is good, guys? Lex Tech Tips here. Today we're going to be doing an amazing power supply repair. This is a 400 watt Delta power supply and it's very good quality. So today it has failing capacitors and we're going to do what's called a repair on it. So yeah, let's get into the video. As you can see, the fan has been repaired. Let's get going for another repair. And another. As you can see, we've repaired the inductors and capacitors at this point. The transformers are transforming. So yeah, as you can see right here, this is a power supply circuit right here that does the power supply. This is a metal, and yeah, it's metal. Oh wow, that looks wait. As you can see, power supply is in perfect working order. Oh wait, looks like there's a little bit of power supply right here. Look at that, incredible quality. Amazing. Yeah, make sure you really squish that to get all the electrolyte juices out. Oh my God, did you hear that? Here, wait, there's a big one. We should do that one. We should squeeze that one. Okay, wait. Oh my God, it went flying. We've had another successful repair. This power supply looks amazing, perfectly repaired. This is another excellent video. If you liked it, like, comment, subscribe. If you didn't like it, leave a dislike and make sure you comment so we get more engagement. This is the tool we use to repair, and these are my shoes. You like them? They're red and